Hello people, welcome to Buckle Up channel. Today I have Mi Band 3. It's from Xiomi. So it's basically a fitness band. So before this band, they have Mi Band 1 and Mi Band 2, and this is their third generation fitness band. So I'm using this band for past 2.5 months. So I just want to share my experience. So let's get started. Okay, first thing first, it's about the display. It's OLED display, 0.78 inch touchscreen. Also it has a resolution of 128 by 80 pixels. In the home screen you can see the time, date, and also Bluetooth connectivity and also the month. So whenever you connect your mobile to this band, this Bluetooth symbol will go off. Then when you swipe up, you can see the steps count. Also you can monitor the kilometers, how much distance you walk per day, and then you can monitor the calories you burn, and then you can monitor the battery percentage also. It has the battery backup of 110 mAh. So once you charge this band, it will comes around 25 to 26 days. Also you can monitor your heart rate by pressing here for a couple of minutes. Also you can see the today's weather condition and tomorrow's weather condition. It's basically from your phone update. Also you can monitor your treadmill activities and your exercise activities, and then you can monitor your notification. Whatever the notification comes from your mobile, you can monitor here. In addition to that, it will monitor your sleep rate also. We have stopwatch options, and then we have find your device option. Also we have a home screen selection option, also factory reset. This band also water resistant. They climbing 50 meters depth. This Mi Band 3 comes with 3 different colors. As you've seen in the pictures, there is 3 color, which is blue, black and orange, and it's look like to me it's very good value for money. So I really liked it. That's all about this Mi Band 3. So hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video.